Ausker is proud to present the next generation of multi-use, multi-material cooking utensils. Award-worthy, state-of-the-art, a development so bold and fresh it could only have come from Ausker, winners of the Nobel Prize for Cooking.
And why can't I say that? Because it's not real? Okay, well, we'll just keep moving.
From Ausker, an Italian company striving to bring thoughtful design to your kitchen. Ausker combines silicone and high-durability nylon for multi-material utensils worthy of company founder Leonardo da Vinci.
Oh, he didn't? Okay, well, we'll pick that up later.
They're the desire of professional and amateur alike. Just one of these utensils will automatically make you a 3-star Michelin chef.
Oh, we can't say that either. You know what? I thought that might be a long shot. Wait, did that ladle just strip a sprig of rosemary? That's incredible.
And with its integrated measuring marks.
Wow, I can totally tell that's a half a cup of soup.
That's why magazines have rated this ladle the #1 ladle of all time.
Hey, what's this graphic? My contract specifically says no graphic disclaimers.
These kitchen utensils are the most disruptive to ever hit the market.
Then why can't I say that? It doesn't even mean anything.
I'm sorry, did that turner just cut something? It grates too?
And you call it a turner? I mean, that's like calling the space shuttle a kite.
Welcome to precise pasta portion control. The Ausker pasta server is a laser in the kitchen. And Italian engineering means that the pasta server's onboard grater can even shave a diamond.
Okay, that's a no-go on the diamond, I get it.
The Ausker whisk is ergonomically designed, and laboratory tests show that it is capable of stirring over 56 trillion revolutions.
Ah, my old nemesis, the on-screen graphic.
Ausker's groundbreaking high-capacity skimmer is so wide it can hold an entire great white shark. Or gently cradle that single egg.
Sorry, I don't want to tell you guys how to do your jobs, but I think a shark would have really sold this thing.
The tongs have a patented locking mechanism. Okay, well, their soft silicone tips mean they're safe to use on non-stick cookware. See? That one's true.
No way. I was going to ask how you planned on cleaning that pan, and now, look, is that deglazing? I think that's called deglazing.
Each of these dishwasher-safe utensils can be used on any cooked surface and capable of withstanding heat up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh, come on. That's got to be an exaggeration. No?
Ausker brand cooking utensils. So multidimensional they almost sell themselves.
Sell themselves, yeah. And what do you need me for? Wait, what do you need me for?
Free? Yeah. See how it feels?